are they complaining? It means that they are not interested in Nkere. They want to force the government. As simple as that. They are not interested in what Nkere and his group are doing. All they want is to form, to make sure that the government is no longer in existence. They want to make this government to be formed so that we go back to that hell, that pit of hell, BRUGIE. And that cannot work. That cannot work. And when you make that one a work, Biafran channel their way to that place. The thing is not working. I don't know who Apotola here, oral story. Cultural story about mandate and the account. Nobody is complaining. I don't know who, I don't know who have never asked Nkere. That 15 million, then you look Nkere na convention. Open up the police, the police.
Yeah.
So they are going to launch police uniform. Nobody have asked Nkere where that money is. Nobody have asked Nkere. Nkere after the convention, everybody was celebrating it. Nkere came out online and started talking rubbish. In that convention, Nkere was now the number 10 man in the world, Mike Rubin. Now, Nkere have come out. Have he met Mike Rubin? What have they discussed? What have they discussed? Every time, Nkere will just post pictures. What have they talked on those pictures Nkere have posted? What have they discussed on those pictures? No video. Nothing they have spoken about. Nothing. I watch what happened on Wednesday concerning this condemnation of killings in Nigeria. And they have already been posting that in that Nkere national assignment. That's one national assignment. In that particular that meeting having those congressmen who condemn those killings. I watched that incomplete. That many people watch it. There's no evidence of Nkere in that place. But these people have been parading it as if Nkere was live there, while Nkere wasn't there. Carry photo everywhere, photo everywhere you go, photo. This is not how to run government. Propaganda cannot run government. Lies and deceit cannot run government. You see this guy now, he went to QTV. QTV, the only thing QTV cut and join. You see those courts, but now he have now talking something. The reason is that the reason why we are not supposed to make a lot of comment on his issue. Let him just come out full. When he comes out full, the Biafrans will now understand the reason why Ojidele got those posts. So the thing that is there is that we must support the government, and nothing they will do to make us not to support the government, no matter what. I don't know who put her here now by that new dimension. Take her to just imagine. And because I don't know who signatory to that new dimension. Not only signatory to that new dimension, I don't know who is also secretary to that new dimension. As me and you is talking today, her name is still in that place. He still be the secretary. As I'm talking to you on this phone now, I don't know who is still the secretary of new dimension.
Okay.
That is the reason why you say that now. People are supposed to be putting money in that new dimension. That the account is not fake. That is why he told Tony and his group that account is not fake. Because her signature is there. She is signatory to that account, and she also secretary to that account. As I'm talking to you now.
But did you see anywhere Sonny and their group are emphasizing on that account? Because they told people that it's a Fulani account. Now that I don't know, have made it clear that the account is not fake. Like we already know. They are not even saying anything about it because they will feel like, okay, let us cover her mouth so people will not hear what she just said. You understand?
You are right. You are right. You are right.
Now, my brother, you have made your point. I really appreciate you for that. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you for having me. Thank you.
Thank you, bro. Thank you.